5, 4, 3,
3,
2, 1.
2, 1. My meta. My meta.
God damn it.
Give me my spaghetti, bitch. Somebody touch my spaghetti.
Mad dog, you mad cunt.
Fuck off, dog.
Alright, gripping,
Empowered.
stunning. Oh, you got it? Nice. Stunning now. And then into silence. And the next one I will misery Ziggy.
So I'm way too slow.
Misery.
I still have my stunner.
You send it now, yep. Nice. Yeah, nice kick.
Wasn't as much as the other time. Plus,
Yeah, that's because we had one spider down, that's why.
Pass, you bitch.
Gripping.
Okay, does this shit root everybody or does it
stunning.
pick somebody?
I'm rooted as well.
It's a random
Okay.
target hit
Fuck, it's
on any
annoying.
DPS or me.
Your Chaos Nova up, Ziggy?
Yeah,
You get the next one in a few seconds.
5
Ziggy.
seconds.
What was that cost?
Don't have anything. Sorry,
I'm
Ziggy?
stunning.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, sorry. I should have been looking.
Fuck this
Oh,
little
okay.
architect up.
Go on it.
3 seconds. 2 seconds. Fuck his shit up.
Well, it doesn't matter even if he hops up there.
Yeah.
You can still whack
Yeah.
him.
I think it's
Only-
immune to damage up there or something, right? Yeah, 90% damage
He only
reduction.
took 1% damage in that time, yeah.
Oh,
I can
okay.
hit him up there. I just want to jump. I don't want to jump.
Just don't do much damage.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not focusing in lol ball. A trinket procced here again.
Did somebody
for it
pull a
to-
bomb on the mine?
I have to wait before I run over. Hold on.
Star.
Group
Yeah, you
up, everyone.
pulled 2 bombs here and also lived at me for a second.
Empowered.
Yeah, 2 bombs in this
Gripping
fall.
into silence.
But when they blow up, they'll hurt a little. Not a huge amount, but a bit.
Alright, so I'm kicking orange.
I'm on stop.
I did it again.
On the demolisher now.
Oh, hello, mother. Hello, father.
What on my mother?
That's
This is
blood
me.
guy next, right?
No.
Oh.
After this. So I see these will come back up at 2 minutes.
Guess
You
we're
want to
fine.
do this pack now though, right?
Yeah, we want to do that pack now.
Gripping.
Everyone group up for the circles. Oh, there's that.
Oh,
Big shield.
I went back.
Stun, someone.
Stunning, yep.
Actually,
Oh,
relevant.
sorry.
Dude.
DB. Whenever they get the cast to the edge.
Probably in prison.
Blast wave.
I'll knock.
Okay, single stuns of sorts.
There you go.
I'm just gonna
I
stun him.
got this one. Alright.
I'm gonna mortal coil that one.
I got the high health one.
No worries. This one's going through, I think.
That's fine. It's gonna cast. It's got another cast. It's gonna do
No.
after.
You got
Oh
the
no, you got it.
I got blast.
Somebody
Right?
feared it. Trick's feared, I think.
Okay, now we're going into the blood guy.
What's the blood guy up the top?
Yeah. So we're going up these stairs straight into it. As someone just tag it and reset, tag and melt
There's a money
vitals.
too. Sure. All right.
I
Where's
see.
the reset point though?
Just stay back. Don't heal me or anything.
God, I hope it's down there.
I'm gonna teach you.
Surely it is.
Everyone run through.
Is that all you got?
Got the wait for everyone vitals.
He's good.
No,
He's good. What about Trix? He's the one that's got a healer.
Empowered.
I'm gonna try and sort of move it back this way a bit, just so that we're not butt pulling the boss or anything. Do you want me to darkness his next AoE?
Yeah, sure. That'd be cool.
And we need darkness for the boss.
I'll say mine.
It's fun to use one.
Alright, darkness him. Ooh. Nice heals.
Nah, I didn't do a whole lot. Oh, God, I gotta dispel you though. It's gotta be dangerous at some point, no?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Now we're
It's
going to
stacking
boss.
the spell mechanic.
Can you pre?
So vitals start the fight like over there if you can. Or maybe on the other side, or we just go the other side.
Alright, we'll go on this side.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just start as
there are
far
ads
over
at
there.
that table over there.
Yeah, okay, we can start. We can wait here. This is good because like, work.
Disgraceful. Time to tangle.
Alright, really got to get the next kick.
Filthy.
You get anything in melee, Ziggy? Let you get it.
Up to 100, isn't it? Yeah, it's at 100 now. All the ads again.
Alright, Ziggy's darkness.
Empowered.
Cool. Yeah, I just didn't see that. CD it. Darkness was good.
Move off.
Glad I got away with that.
Try not to go too far though. Yeah.
Yeah,
Keep it in,
perfect.
yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Tangle. Get 'em, kids.
Oh,
Disgraceful.
keep moving them back a bit. The circle is expanding. So you guys don't
Wait.
die yet. That's good.
I think it stopped here.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
Oh, I can't fucking. Oh, got it.
Oh,
Jesus.
sorry.
Time to tangle.
Alright, my phase again.
Am I good? Yeah, thank you, Jill.
Grip up. Do we need defensives for this one?
I got a
ones
big
or-
healing CD, so it won't be as bad. About to press it before I die. Maybe I need to ramp up sooner on that. There you go, we're good. Oh, yeah, I am getting hit by the ad, what the fuck? Like it's doing meaningful damage. Oh,
Just if
God.
I move it early.
Yeah. I know it's a thing.
Empowered.
I'm powered.
Time to tangle. Make mama proud.
Ice look for next kick.
Yep.
God, I thought that Infernal was an ad pull somehow behind us. That's
I'll
so
watch for
scary.
melee kicks. Jezza, watch for range kicks.
I just need to focus on the thing.
I got that one. Oh, alright.
Yeah, I took it.
Ziggy next kick if we need it.
Yeah, we're moving. Oh wait, no, the old puddle disappears eventually. Oh,
Yeah, I messed up a global there.
that's fine. Lock rock.
Killing boss, and
Yeah.
I'm holding my two.
Puddle's expanding.
Don't send the ads at
Be
the table in
careful
front of the
with-
boss.
Just be careful of
You're right.
pulling those guys.
Yeah,
He's dead, I think. So
yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Okay, so now we kill the hyena pack. After you go kill that, just so you can catch up.
we're gonna pull these guys as
Hyena
well
pack.
down.
Yeah, we can pull them down as well. Like over
give
here,
me a
we got to go kill them. Oh, you're doing them? Oh, okay, okay. I
Is,
like what you're
this is
selling.
pretty
No,
nice.
no, this is not lust. You're holding lust.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
Hey,
so
watch out on aggro.
Gripping, stun. Oop.
Infernal start in a
Stunning.
sec. Wait, I'm actually going to hold Infernal for a sec. Until they start spinning. I can
Alright,
actually
I've
hold
got
it.
kick on triangle.
Let me start.
I don't have anything here.
They stunned the yard.
Swapping a green.
Misery.
Don't think it works on them.
No, they're mechanical. It's only hard stuns. Disorientates, spheres, magical effects do not affect these.
Alright, so this is the last pull now, Tricks.
Yep.
So everyone's stacked together for the first set of circles, so we have somewhere to run and then go wherever.
I'll get second star.
So just always defensive this
third.
pulse coming up. It hits too hard.
Okay, stacking up, moving out.
So defensive this. I can't really heal.
I got next kick on the Bloodwalker.
Gripping. Ziggy, try and get that, thank you. And then Ice next star. Jezza next star.
Still mine, still mine. Hasn't
Oh,
casted.
okay.
No, he's dead.
He dead. Nice.
Stunning at all?
Cool.
Oh, no, can't. Stunned yet. No, my stun didn't go off.
I've got next if we need it, but I don't think we need.
Got that. I can get next.
Okay, so I'm not gonna mess with the guys in the middle because this floaty ship will destroy us all.
Sounds good.
I like that change. The route.
Yeah, it looks feels good.
That's cool.
Drop scaffolding. So we can keep moving. Yep.
Alright, going.
Me and Jez will blow up the next scaffolding. You can still drop your AoE, Jez, if you want on the main pack.
Yeah.
Empower.
Gripping him in, silencing.
I will kick.
We got aggro on the.
Yep, got
Yeah.
it.
If you want to get star noise.
Sure, alright.
Which one of you got Ziggs?
I'm on circle. You don't need to worry about it. Dead. Fucking scaffolding.
Sit again.
Fucking.
Wreck.
had to put the root in this though? Like,
It's to
'cause-
discourage you from pulling the what's it called? There's two spinny boys into this pool.
two spinny
No,
balls.
it lines up with the other thing that they do if it goes off.
Oh, all the way back.
Mount
there.
up.
Wow.
Well, well, what have we here?
That's a scary one.
It's a good
Real
game.
good.
Fine. Yeah.
Yep.
Welcome to the firing range.
It's playtime! Playtime!
Remember to use defensives if you get targeted with the gel.
Absolutely. Eventually, when he does it, there you go. Into a bomb.
Oh,
I'll get him, boss!
He's over there.
oh, don't do like links like that, man. Just line it up with where you are and
God, can I get past all these swirlies? Barely.
Oh, there was one over there. My bad.
Empowered.
Is your guys' main focus Bron?
yeah, Rangers should be hitting Bron.
Maybe send it that way first.
Ah, bummer.
No.
That was close.
You don't need to run behind it. You just gotta line yourself up with it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought it was like behind it.
No. Just line up and you're
I got a
set.
quad strike though.
Yeah, you did. That was big.
Big guy's still quite a bit higher.
Yeah, he's coming down. Right, position yourself next to a bomb.
Get to a bomb, Ziggs.
I'll get him, boss!
Ziggy, just get the one closest to you for uptime. Like,
That's alright. They're kinda.
because we got like three charges and one more set,
Oh, okay.
and then like one more gel to finish off the thing.
Let's
Oh,
blow it
so
up.
there's quite a bit.
There's a lot of time, so a lot of clear for us.
So
So
big guy's still way higher, right?
the Ziggy's going to change to that as well now.
Okay.
I got a triple.
Stand still! I ain't done with you.
Okay, switch the other one. Watch out, Jess.
That guy's fucking quick, bro.
Okay, switch back to bronze. Switch back to bronze.
I turned around and he was on me. Holy fuck.
Alright, just get that. I'll get the gun. Someone's already got it. Someone got the
Hey,
gun.
got it.
I got it. Firing.
That was crazy, bro. He come in like a fucking titan.
Okay, I'll pull in the kelps.
No, we do just do divers.
Don't think so.
Well, we're not doing 6 kelps together.
I think we do.
Empowered.
Well, don't use any CC here then. Save it all for the next pack. Or maybe like Dragon Breath and Blast Wave, but don't use your sigils.
Gripping. I think it's. Oh. Try and move them out of the things. There we go.
Oh, am I dead? Nope, alive.
I may be like panicking about it, but yeah, I
good.
think it's gonna be the most dangerous one.
Angle. Yep.
Definitely
I
is
agree.
scary.
Okay,
Sorry.
gripping.
That was
Kicking
me.
Yep.
back,
Alright, yep, you good. I'll watch orange.
pick an interrupt.
Got move.
Chaos Nova?
Guys
you
getting
go.
really bad.
I done my fear.
Someone use a Chaos Nova.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
I'm-
hang on.
They're spinning. Like 2-3 of them were spinning. We were getting wailed on.
Chillin'.
Alright, I'm gonna Misery next. Misery. Into grip. Anyone's got kicks or anything?
Stun them? Not yet.
My shit got DB, so I'll be looking for a purge.
Yeah, I got a few.
Got
Stunning him.
one.
They're stunned yet.
Alright, I'm gonna go meld.
Can I can't imprison, right?
Don't die while I'm gone. Got it.
I think the divers is scarier.
Nah, dude, Jettison's kelp.
Really?
If we didn't,
Oh.
if we had 2 of them or 3 of them going off, we were getting chunked.
Oh shit.
Are you gonna leave this on, Paul Vitals?
Yep.
Hi, you are?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just gonna soulstone you just in case.
I'm popping blur just in case.
Oh.
Listen to Vital's calls as to where we're going.
I'll just ping you. To the right a bit.
Making sure you're using something for that damage.
Yep.
Watch out, wave coming through the middle. Yeah, nice.
Frontal.
Right.
Darkness.
Watch out, odd overlaps. One more coming.
Maybe just through.
Through, yep.
Country.
Yeah, it was bad.
Watch out, waves are coming through us.
Thanks for waiting though. Just during my radiance, we moved. Alright, got no healing CDs for this one.
We got a
Big defensive.
Knew he's
Ah.
got
Yeah, darkness.
Look to the
Right side, right side. Yeah.
Darknessing here.
Move, take a step back. The waves are coming through. We're perfect where we are. Lust.
Empower. Through.
Right.
Alright. This is going to be still dodging a fair bit here because it's 4 rounds.
Should be good. Alright. No more awaken.
Nope.
Maybe not a long one. Oh yeah, nice. Oh wait.
Is there any lock rocks?
Nah, I'm chilling.
Is your darkness up, Ziggy?
1 minute.
Just
We
pull
got
it.
mass res.
Just pull it and hug either left or right.
We'll go right here.
Stay here.
Going left.
Fade in different angles.
I do actually have a big CD here. So we should be good on this one.
Stack here, I guess.
That's the easy one done.
Moving right.
Ping the stack.
Back here.
No CDs now.
I think I got dark knight. Nope. 12 seconds.
It's already done.
And darkness the next one.
That motherfucker just hit me?
Oh,
I
right.
guess go this back here a tad and then we'll go right.
Right, and I'm gonna hold CDs. This guy's
Watch
too
your
low.
feet, watch your feet, watch your feet.
Moving right for the... Yep, moving right. Go, go, go.
Fuck, we're getting another
You're
pulse.
fine, Jezza. You're fine.
Yeah, but the bubbles move. The bubbles move. Just come to this other side.
Yep, going this way now.
Probably could have been someone else.
Stack on me.
Good call, Ziggy as well.
He dead. God.
I'll kick the electrician.
I'll pick the other one.
Do we do it?
Oh,
I think we
yeah,
do
yeah, pull it. You gotta.
Alright. I'll kick orange.
Someone needs to get.
Second one.
Empower.
Gonna grip them. Gripping. Stunning. Silencing.
Fuck off.
Just keep going.
Alright, just gonna pull these guys through.
We need one on the left.
Okay.
I soothed.
Picking the fire electrician.
Alright. Going up now. I'll kick close one. Silencing actually. Seth. Yep. So I'm on star.
I'm wild fighting.
Scary.
Gripping. Misery. Into Chaos Nova.
What's that next? They are now immune.
And Nexus spell's gonna be pretty damn late. I've been fucking them up this ball. Oh, he's dead. Never mind.
Okay.
You just chain,
Oh, alright.
blow up the left one.
Empower.
Then stand close to each other.
Pop on the
I've got heavy
CD.
attacks, bro.
We're good for a bit. We're still fighting for a bit. Waiting for my CDs to run out. At funnel. Alright. CD's over now. Guys, try to stand further away from you ranged
wide.
players. It sucked there. I was standing too close to range the whole time, just making it harder for me.
Where do you want to stand? Like, where is a good spot for you so we can stand?
I
away
can
from
just
you?
stand far back. I was standing in too close.
Need more trash.
Do we?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, just take the last one with us, just into us.
yeah, that'll be fun.
Jump ahead, everyone just take the gate so it jumps to us.
Yeah, no.
Are you sure you want to do it with us?
Yeah.
It just
Yeah,
jumps
yeah.
to us. You just sidestep it.
I'll
boss.
need a grip if you can.
I'm
Oh,
drinking.
no, you're right. Alright.
Out of line of sight.
You're gonna get through the door.
Dare question me? Face annihilation.
Big AoE damage.
It's working. It's working.
Watch out for the frontal from at that.
Oh, that should hurt. Single target hits are gonna really hurt too.
Try and die.
This is gonna hurt.
Oh, not on you, Ice. You're fine.
Oh, the thing jumped behind me.
Yeah.
Yeah, just be ready.
You dare pit your wits against
I'll
mine?
take this one.
Empower.
Power. I got power.
Try
Oh god.
Yeah, I'll move it with you.
It's working! Try and die!
Oh shit.
Thing yours, New Year?
So I had a big
Probably
shit.
get that. You should probably get that
I'll
one
get,
right there.
Yeah, sure. Yep.
Dare pit your wits
I'll just
against
fuck off
mine?
and get a different one. Can I just go through it?
Yeah, you can. As long as it's not electrified, you can run through it.
Okay. But like right now, I gotta
You
go...
will die if you go through it.
Oh shit, sorry Jez.
Yeah.
I'll
Do we
be
need
a
defenses
major-
or we good?
I'm
we
major
good?
CDing, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I thought I was, but I fucked up. I think we're still
Wow.
good.
I put a darkness down for me,
I gotta
sorry.
get used to that.
You can take that one
I can
now.
explain that after.
Or just anyone there.
1 minute on last.
But I'm super safe.
Empowered.
Howard.
Your wits against mine? Try and die!
Fuck.
Didn't even need lost.
Race your shield with a smaller one, Ziggs. My bad.
Please drink it! Please!
Good luck, good luck.
No!
Come on, Vitals.
Nope.
I sure did panic a lot from it being a 12 instead of a 10.
Got workshop 13.
You need those shoulders, Ziggy.
Shoulders, they're braces. Are they
You
shoulders?
sure?
Yeah, I don't need them, you can have.
Thanks, man.
Nice! First 12 on the board!
Neat. And we hadn't
Aha,
even done
that
it on
was kinda
11
hard.
yet. It was. And I was fucking up because I was like panicking because it was 2 key
That
levels
was
higher
hard.
than usual, so I was doing some really dumb things at times.
There's a lot of damage going
Specifically,
out.
specifically on bosses. But that bit I messed up at the end where I'm like I'm pressing a mega CD and then I'm like, oh wait, no I'm not.
Should we get some free points from workshop?
It's a bug with premonition where you can't spell queue it.
That's an 11.
So
Oh
that's
wait, we got a
fun.
13 workshop.
So
I'll
I
just
press-
re-roll mine.
Press premonition after the radiance, and then it's just like,
Oh, I got
"No,
a rookery.
Ziggs."
Okay, that's 3 points. Sorry.
So I pressed my major CD after I radianced, and then because of the spell queue bug, I didn't spam it enough before pressing penance, so it didn't go off. And then the worst part about that is that puts my penance on cooldown, so then I can't press premonition until I have penance back. I have to wait 7 seconds.
I can't wait to hear about your adventures.
Pretty dumb.
Hope you find
Not a
lots
fun
little.
bug.
of treasure out there.
Not a fun bug, that one.
Found any good treasure lately?
But it's either that or if I spell Q it, it reduces the cooldown of my radiance that I pressed beforehand. Yeah, I was doing some dumb shit in that key anyway.
Workshop?
Like on
I'm
swap
gonna-
phase when I press like
make
multiple
a quick
healing
coffee.
CDs on one phase.
So that's all right.
Yeah.
I'm going to workshop.
Do you want to send the 13 or drop it to 12?
I think just go 12.
How much were we under?
A minute.
56 seconds.
57 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
So that'll be
I depleted
world
13 for
world
sure.
50.
Neat.
Woo,
And
on
that
the
swap
first
phase
floor.
is easy. That's cool.
I got a rookery as well.
Like I've
the
healed
fo-
that in a 10 before, more than that even. That's cool.
I'm the
We're
warlock
getting
who's
really
done the
good at
first
that.
12. Yay!
The first
Yeah.
12 ever, you mean?
I'm
Out of
the
warlocks on this region.
I'm the first
In
in
all
this
dungeons or
region.
this one?
Huh?
Oceanic to do a
Of all
12.
dungeons.
What the fuck?
No warlock has done a 12 yet.
That's so dumb.
So look at Swags, this guy.
Player base
All
is
of
so
these people got
degenerate.
4 set. This makes me so angry.
It's I'm the only Oracle disc priest as well in the top 50. And it's like it's performing really well. And it's fun. Why is no one trying? Man.
This is annoying.
Looking for someplace new to explore?
Eh.
You'll get that. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but I want to now. I want to do more damage.
Sure. Need your tier.
My damage outside of coolies is, unless it's like a high density dungeon like this place, Jez and Ziggy just smash me.
Oh, you don't even have your old tier. Like, not 4-piece.
No, I just
Right.
want 2 set. The
Was
4
worth
set
replacing.
isn't valuable enough.
He's
Yeah.
just a warlock.
That's fair enough. Well, I'm not going to be able to replace mine for a while.
Oh well, look at it like this. So my chaos, like I got like 50% critical strike chance with my
Shit, yeah.
incinerates. So I'm always like generating a lot more shards.
Hmm.
That's my 7% of my overall damage. 408 mil.
I've claimed
were we
my
doing
realm
workshop,
one.
sorry?
Yeah, work. I've
Damn,
claimed my
0.
rank 1 back.
Sick.
I
Not
will be
letting
rank
these-
1 as well.
I'm not letting this indecent demon hunter beat me.
But if I log out of the game and then log back in, will it update my raid
Maybe.
royale?
You just gotta wait for the update to go out on the website.
Mm.
Or if you want to update quicker, you just download the app.
Because I remember last time I reloaded and it updated me. Otherwise, I got
Just download the app on your desktop and then it perma updates in game.
I mean, ooh, food. Oh, yummy.
You guys inside workshop?
No.
I could be,
I'm out front.
but I'm not.
just
I'm
repairing.
teleporting.
Oh. I
I'm
was
away.
talking about food or some shit. I don't know. Oh,
I just got-
IRL food. Oh, okay. I was like, what?